everybody, it's Vance from fishingwithvance.com. I'm still catching up on some of my old footage. So on today's episode of Fishing with Vance, I pulled some footage from some summer fishing on the old Pelican Bass Raider. It was a solo trip. Had a good time, and as usual, I was catching them on tubes and worms. This time wacky. I got a couple on the lipless, but stay tuned, check it out. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'd appreciate that. And hope you enjoy the episode. Thanks for joining me today on fishingwithvance.com.
That's with a lipless square bill or lipless crankbait, and you get the first fish of the day here, kids. Yes, sir. There's a fish. Another one on the lipless crankbait. Doinked it pretty good too. Hey, brother. You got a fish on a tube here, kids. Yep. 4 times on a tube. Yeah. He doused it. Hey, brother. Alright, guys. Coming back to you from the lake. I'm out here by myself. It's a beautiful, beautiful summer morning. Both my guys are well, Highlight's working. And Catter's actually fishing up in New York, so hopefully he brings us back some good footage from that. And we'll see what happens. I got here late, of course, because I was being lazy. But so I got a little late to the lake. That sun's poking up already, which is probably going to cost me some fish. I've caught 3 this morning, in probably about the first 20 minutes. And I'm throwing up shallow. I caught 2 on a I caught 2 on a lipless crankbait, and I think I might have a snag here. So bad job by me. Let me shut the camera off and get this out. Alright, guys, I was saying, I got that snag out. As I was saying, my partner's High Life is working. Catter's fishing up in New York. I got a late start to the lake, so that sun's coming up over already. Gonna make it tough to get him once that sun gets up, but I've caught a couple, 2 or 3, 2 on a lipless and 1 on a tube. And that's all I've caught so far. It's a beautiful day. It's June 30th. My brother's birthday. Wish he was here fishing with me. No question about that. And shout out to the lump. Wish he was with like I said, I wish he was here with me fishing today. But he isn't. So hopefully he puts a few fish on a hook for me wherever he is, and watching down from heaven. But I know I miss my brother, that's for sure. But hopefully we catch some fish. And when I say we, I mean me and him. So, fishing with Vance and lump.com. Fish on. Got a little dude. See you, bro. I am trying a new motor. It's the Enduro Max 44. I do like the sort of the power drive rather than the clicking so far. We usually fish this on the front of the boat, but oh, another head here. Oh, another fish. But my Minn Kota 55 is kind of crapping out on me. Nice one. Thump that so it got up shallow. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Fish number 5. See you, boy. And I do like this power drive on this. It's pretty smooth. I've only been fishing with it for minutes, but a few minutes, but it's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty smooth. So we'll see. See how it all turns out, but you know, when it fishes off the front of the boat as opposed to in the back with me here now, it does well. Now somebody's running with this thing like it's his job, and he's not there anymore. So, alright guys, I'm gonna switch over to a wacky worm here now. See if I can't snag a few. Wacky, the sun's getting up. I need to move to the other side of the lake here pretty quick, but I thought I'd give this side a shot before the sun got up high. There's a little fish. Wow, it's a little dude. Look at this guy. Look at this little bass. Hit this wacky worm. It's insane. Yeah, buddy. That's crazy. But he went for it. So that's the way she goes. Vance, oh, he come off. He was up there though. Nice bass here. Come on, brother. I gotcha. All right, buddy. Good fish. I'll take it here in the morning on fishingwithvance.com. See you, buddy. Another nice bass. Caught wacky. See you, little man. Got a partner out here with me today. Look at him just surveying the area. Probably telling me there's fish over there. Fish on, brother.
Radio on the ESPN app.
Fish
What's
on.
up, everyone? Will Kane here. Support for the Will Kane podcast comes from our friends at Rocket Mortgage by Quicken Loan. Chances are you're confident when it comes to your work, your hobbies, and your life. Rocket Mortgage gives you that same level of confidence when it comes
Easy partner, easy partner.
here. A couple of these fantasy rosters. Let's put together
Hey, buddy.
KD and LeBron, okay? Let's assume Stephen A's right. LeBron's recruiting KD. Let's assume he pulls it off. LeBron and KD on the Lakers. Boy, that beat the Warriors? Or in the alternative, let's say they pull off the Kawhi trade. And it's LeBron and Kawhi and Paul George, because that's what that scenario could possibly entail.